As identified by the Kotakode team, there are three main problems that are slowing down Indonesia's digital transformation. First, limited access to programming knowledge. Second, difficulties in searching for qualified tech talents. And last, the lack of focus on freelancing scenes in Indonesia.
And how we design the UI UX design, we analyze the branding that has been built by Kotakode so that the finished design remains sustainable. Then for the UI itself, we compare it with several other platforms such as Rebulancer and Projects ID and combine which type is the most ideal that can fit in the freelancer coding UI UX design. And as conclude, Kotakode has a simple and minimalist branding so that people who see it can immediately focus on the topic that they are looking for.
Here are the three main problems faced by freelancing platform users we've gathered from Play Store. The first one, unresponsible clients. Second one, only one project can only hire one freelancer. The third one is the complex UI UX. We focus our idea and solution to these three main problems and make sure our UI UX design solve these users' pain points. Next. We use the BINUS process of UX design combined with design thinking principle to develop our idea. The first step is empathize process. In this step, we empathize and understand or gathering users' data and pain points in achieving their goals in freelancing platforms. The second one is define process. We conclude our main problems and the user's need. The third one is ideate process. We focus on our main problems, generate from defined process to generate ideas and solutions to be added in Kotakode's freelancing platform as key features, such as limited chance of bid and revisions, using third-party payment systems that can be disbursement by freelancers at any time, open collaboration project, clean and simple UI UX designs that consistent with Kotakode brand's design and identity. Those ideas are mapped into the sketch and wireframe. And then the last one is the prototype process. We implement our idea by making high-fidelity interactive prototype of Kotakode freelancing platform website using Adobe XD. That's all from our group Mother's Blessings. Thank you.